In this tutorial, I will demonstrate on how to check IP address location in Bulk by using the ip2location.io Bulk IP Geolocation API. Firstly, let's go to ip2location.io. Go to Resources, API Documentation, ip2location.io Bulk API. Under API Endpoint section, copy this query string. Open your Linux terminal and then paste it. If you would like to query for more IP addresses, you can add them here. You will need to replace your API key here. Kindly subscribe for a paid plan if you don't currently have an API key. Let's go to your dashboard page. Copy your API key. Replace the API key here. You can change the format here to either JSON or CSV to get result in different format. I will go with JSON format first. Let's run the command. This is the geolocation result in JSON format. Let's add a new IP address and change the format to CSV. This is the geolocation result in CSV format. You can get country, region, city, latitude, longitude, zip code, time zone, ASN, and proxy data. Thanks for watching.